Good morning, guys. My name is Alicia. Welcome to my channel. This is Heartinhandnj Creations and Events. In this video today, I'm showing you the finished touches of all of the time and effort that was put in to setting up this Winnie the Pooh baby shower theme. Here we go. This tree will be lit up right here. It has lights on it. Have the honey drips going down the steps, the backdrop, and her chair. And this is how the toy block and bear with the balloons turned out. If you hear any noise in the background, it's this indoor air conditioner. Sorry about that. And these streamers, pom-pom streamers, or garland. And we have the pom-poms. And I'm going to show you something real quick. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to show you the tree. There we go. Now that's the finishing touch. Yeah, I did a DIY for the rattles. Oops. Yep. Rattles. And these are the pacifiers. And here we go. Here's the candy cart. I didn't turn the lights on it yet, but I will once I have all the goodies on it. And this is the other balloon column. Got it sitting up in the corner here. Yep. And oh yeah, as you see, I did 2 of them. And all thanks to my new friend, that balloon pump. Bunch of balloons, balloon pump. It made it so much quicker. And that's it, guys. That's the setup. Oh yeah, and here goes something else. She also has gifts over here for the games. These cups will be filled with popcorn. This server will have cheesecake chunks on it, donuts, cupcakes. In this tray will be the parfaits will be on here. And of course I told you parfaits will be on this candy cart. And these are party favors, like for taking pictures. These are some headbands that I made for a Sweet 16 a couple of years ago. And so we're going to, what is that word again? Repurpose them for photos, and some crowns for some kings. Goofy sunglasses. Yeah. And, oh, here's one of the games. This was a game that we did. This is called the clothesline game. And I went out to the thrifty store and I bought some baby clothes. Got a clothesline in here. And some clothespins. And what you do is you have someone, they have to multitask. They have to hold the baby and feed them, talk on the phone, and hang clothes up at the same time. And you have 30 seconds to do it. And the person who hangs up the most garments is the one who wins at the end. So I thought that was cute, and we're going to use that again. Use that game again 7 years later. Because this game was when my grandson was born, and he's 7 years old now. He just turned 7 in April. My Milesy. But yeah, so that's what we have going on. And if you like this video and you like what I've accomplished here so far as this DIY and setup and anything else, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. Alright guys, thank you so much. Oh, and I want to say thank you and hello to all new subscribers and to my old subscribers, of course, my current subscribers, not old, but current subscribers. And I thank you guys so much for your views. And I thank you for watching. You have a great day, great afternoon, great morning, all that good stuff. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.